in our daily life, we go to different places, meet different people, and communicate on different topics. So you may go to a grocery, vegetable, fruit shop, you may go to a clothes shop or a restaurant, or you may visit a doctor and so on. In all these places, we use different functions of language which are known as the communicative function of language. And such function includes greeting, introducing, welcoming, thanking, congratulating, apologizing, and many more. Hey everyone, welcome to my class. I hope you all are doing well. And today's lesson is on learning the communicative function of greeting. Before moving on, I'd like you all to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified of such video lessons. When people meet each other, they greet each other by starting their conversation. So in Nepali, we normally use namaste for greeting, but in English, the most common way of greeting is by using the words like hi, hello, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So good morning is used in the morning till midday, and good afternoon is used after midday until 4 o'clock in the evening. After that, people greet each other by saying good evening. So now we'll have a look at the communicative function of greeting. So such function can be categorized into informal greetings and formal greetings. So informal greetings are the greetings that are used in informal situation where we greet people of our acquaintance, like our family members, friends, relatives. On the other hand, formal greetings are used to greet people in formal situations. Now let's have a look at informal greetings along with their responses. The first one here is hi. Its response can be hi, hello. Next one here is hey. So its response may be hey, what's up? And the next one is what's new? So its possible response can be nothing much. Next one, what's up? Pretty well, or nothing much. Another. And the next one is how is it going? So its possible response is well, nothing special. Next one, how are things with you? It's possible to say maybe okay, not bad. Another one, how is everything? And it's possible to can be everything is good. And the next one, long time no see. So it means that it has been a long time since we had met each other. So its possible response can be, I know it has been ages. How have you been? You. And the next one, how is life treating you? Fine, thanks. So if it's going well, then you can say fine, thanks. But if it's not going well, then you can say can't complain. And next one here is how have you been? So this also means the same thing, that it has been a long time since they have met each other. So its possible response can be I have been fine. And the last one here is it's been a while. So this also means that it has been a long time since they have met. So its response can be it's great to see you. How is everything? Now let's have a look at formal greetings along with their responses. The first one here is good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this can be used in informal situation when the people are greeting each other in familiar and informal situation. So they can greet by saying morning, afternoon, evening. But in formal situation, if the person is greeting you by saying good morning, you can or good afternoon, good evening, you can reply by saying the same. So its response will be the same. And the next one here is how do you do? So this one is an old-fashioned one, but people still use it to greet in formal situations. So its response will be the same as how do you do? And next one here is how are you? How are you doing? So its possible response is very well, thank you, or fine, thanks. And the next one, it's a pleasure to meet you or pleased to meet you. And its a possible response will be, the pleasure is mine. And the next one here is, how have you been? And its possible response can be, I have been well, thank you. And the last one here is, nice to meet you. And its possible response can be, nice to meet you too. So these are the communicative function of greeting as informal and formal greetings. Now let's have a test of ourselves. Let's check how attentive we have been throughout the lesson. What I want you to do here is either greet me or respond me. If I greet you, you respond me. If I respond you, you greet me. Are you ready for this? Okay. So what's new? Respond me. Nothing much. How is it going? Respond me. Nothing special. Long time no see. I know it's been ages. How have you been? It's been a while. It's great to see you. How's everything? Okay, not bad. Greet me. How are things with you? How do you do? Respond me. How do you do? It's a pleasure to meet you. Respond me. The pleasure is mine. How are you? How are you doing? Very well, thank you. Fine, thanks. These are the communicative function of greeting, and the knowledge of such greeting will help you have a smooth and fluent conversation in English. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. So this all brings to the end of this lesson. See you soon in our next lesson.